Good morning. Welcome to Mom Talk Thursday. I know I'm going live after almost 1.5 months. So, first of all, Happy New Year. Happy 2026. And I wish this year brings lot of happiness, success, and whatever you wish for this year. So, Happy New Year. I hope your year started with a bang. And And so from now on, I am back on my live. So you're going to see more of me. Happy New Year, Jyoti. And you're going to see more of me for sure. But we're going to change the live dates and I will let you know. Oh, Ekta, thank you. I missed you a lot and thank you so much for your encouraging messages. I got so many messages, so many DMs. मैम आपका रील्स नहीं आ रही, आपकी लाइव नहीं आ रही, आप क्या कर रहे हो? मैं थोड़ा क्या कहते हैं उसको हाइबरनेशन मोड में चली गई थी, यू नो. सो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर गुरुजी, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. तो मैं हाइबरनेशन मोड में चली गई थी, बट आई एम बैक नाउ. 2026 is anyways a very good year for all of us, let me tell you that. Now you'll say, how do I know? Because a lot of you don't know, but I'm a numerologist as well, so I work on numbers as well. So this is a number one year, so all those who felt that last year was not that good, let me tell you, this year, if you put in an effort, it's going to be amazing. Okay, lot of new beginnings. How was your birthday? My birthday was as I like it, simple, at home, peaceful, just meeting one or two friends, and that's how I am. If I feel like celebrating my birthday, I announce it in advance, and मैं अपने आप ही birthday party वाटी सब कर लेती हूँ, मैं ऐसी हूँ. So मेरा आजकल mood है to शांति से रहो, बातें करो, and that's how my birthday was. So yeah, so let's get started. So today we are just going to do a Q&A. We are going to, if you have any parenting related questions, then you can put it in the chat box. If you're here for the first time, because I think a lot of you joined me in last 1.5 months, so I just want to give a small introduction. I am Divya. I'm a parenting coach and an educator. I work with parents, I work with children as well, to help with their mental health and with parents to give them parenting tips. And most importantly, what I take myself as your mom friend, because I feel as a mother, I want to have another mother who understands me. I feel that sometimes we are going through something and we feel हम अकेले हैं, but ऐसा नहीं है, हम अकेले नहीं है. Every mother has a story. Okay, so if you have a question, if you are here for the first time, then welcome. If you are here again, then thank you so much for always supporting me. If you have any questions related to parenting, then नीचे जाके right में there is a question mark. ठीक है, put your questions there. I'll pick up your questions from there and I'll answer it to the best of my capability. Okay, so having said that, जब तक questions आते हैं तब तक let me just talk about how my week was, what's happening with Zorawar. So Zorawar has a holiday today. So as always, मैंने हमेशा बोला ना कि बच्चों को ये होता है कि बच्चों को ये होता है कि मम्मी का अभी कॉल है तो अभी कुछ कांड तो करना ही है. तो मेरे साथ बस वही चल रहा था. That's why I got 5 minutes late. मेरे को अभी टीवी टाइम दो, मेरे को अभी ये करो, मुझे अभी वो करो. So everything is urgent for them. So all those who have kids below the age of 6, let me tell you, उनकी अर्जेंसी अपनी अर्जेंसी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. उनके लिए चीजें अर्जेंट हो सकती है, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज पॉज. ओके, सो इफ योर चाइल्ड इज समवन हुज लाइक नहीं मम्मा अभी चाहिए अभी चाहिए अभी चाहिए अभी करो, डोंट लेट इट कम ऑन यू. क्या होता है ना, उनका स्ट्रेस हम ले लेते हैं. मुझे अभी टीवी देखना है, मुझे अभी टॉय चाहिए, मुझे अभी नहलाओ, मुझे अभी, मतलब फॉर देम एवरीथिंग इज नाउ, बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन डोंट हैव अ कॉन्सेप्ट कि आगे जाके भी कर सकते हैं. सो कभी कभी उनकी अर्जेंसी ना हमारी अर्जेंसी बन जाती है एंड वी टेल देम अच्छा ठीक है यार तू कर ले, जो करना है कर ले, बिकॉज वी फील दैट वी फील दैट उन अभी चाहिए, इतना प्रेशर हो जाता है कि हम लोग खुद ही वो करने लग जाते हैं. तो इफ यू हैव अ चाइल्ड बिलो द एज ऑफ 6-7, हैव अ वेरी सिंपल रूल. Things for children are urgent. Things for it need not be urgent for you. Okay, बच्चे को चॉकलेट चाहिए, उसकी अर्जेंसी, आपको अपनी अर्जेंसी नहीं बनानी है उसको. This really helps. Okay, thank you Ekta for this beautiful message. Wanted to let you know that I'm working on your ways and have seen a big change in my son, and he has won an excellent batch in overall academics and behavior. Oh wow, Ekta, that is so amazing. I am so proud of you as a mother, because I know, I have seen your DMs and I know that you are so willing to help other mothers change as well, giving them your whatever you feel is right. So that service is there in you, and I know that you, मुझे ना पता है कि 1 साल से तो you are there in my life for sure. And मुझे ये भी पता है that you implement it, then you come back, you tell me in a DM, मैम ये चला ये नहीं चला. And listening to this, I feel like a personal win. So I'm so proud of your little one. Congratulations to your son. And I'm sure he's going to do so well, because he has a mother who is ready to learn all the time, who is ready to grow all the time. So congratulations, Ekta. Okay, next. दिन बना दिया मेरा starting में. Okay, so if you're new here, I'll just repeat. Put your questions in the question mark column, which is on the top right, because somehow यहाँ पे questions बहुत जल्दी ऊपर चले जाते हैं. Okay. Okay, so we have 1 or 2 questions here I saw. Now, 1 second. Okay. How to become friends with our kids? Okay. Let me take this one first. What do you think? Should we be friends with our kids? Type yes, no. What do you think? Do children need parents, or do children need friends? Write friends in comments if you think it's friends. Write parents in comments if you think parents. Okay. Also, another thing about my live is, it's not that I only talk. I'll ask you to interact. So please interact. It really helps me know where you are. Okay. So my question today is, do you think parents should be child's best friend, or do you think parents should be parents? Okay. So write parents, write friends, whatever it is. And तब तक हम अपनी coffee पी ले. Parents. Okay. Parents. Okay. So then why is there always this phrase which is talked about कि आपको अपने बच्चों का दोस्त बन के रहना चाहिए? Why do you think that phrase is there? Okay. Now I'll tell you what. I believe children have a lot of friends. Okay. We have been given a responsibility of a parent. Okay. So the thing is that we need to be a parent, but we need to be an accepting parents. What are friends? Friends are basically someone who accepts you for who you are. Correct? That's what friends are, right? So be a parent to your child. Don't try to be a friend, but be a parent to your child who is accepting. Matlab, I accept my child the way my child is. But I will also wear the hat of a parent which knows how to guide my child where it is required. Okay. Friendship क्या होती है? Friendship होती है, I have a friend who is going to accept me the way I am. मतलब वो मुझे judge नहीं करता, वो मतलब it's cool, we have fun, we can do everything, which is good. Do all that with your child. But at the same time, you also wear a hat of being a parent. Parents' responsibility is keeping your child safe, guiding your child, telling your child what is right and wrong, and then let that be their decision. But not just having fun, not just having conversation, not just, being like, ठीक है यार तुझे जो करना है कर लो. That doesn't help. We generally hear this phrase in teenage that, be friends with your children. Yes, it is required. So, but what does friendship means there? Friendship means that you're open and willing to listen to your child without judgment. You're allowing your child to make a mistake and standing by your child. You are not judging your child, because suddenly teenage mein you will see a shift in your child. Hormones ho gaye, friends ho gaye, sab kuch ho gaya. So you will see they start taking a lot of power. That time they say that be friends with your child. Why? Because आपने क्या करना है उस time पे? You have to be a parent which guides a child, but at the same time you have to wear a cap where the child knows that my parents accept me for who I am. My parent is giving me that space. Okay. So I am not someone who says that, only be friends with your children. No. बच्चों के पास दोस्त बहुत है. I am going to be a friend and a parent at the same time. I am going to be a friend and a mother at the same time. Even with a 6-year-old, I am a friend when I'm supposed to be a friend, but I am a parent when I'm supposed to be a parent. When I think he is doing something which is not acceptable, which is a safety issue, I become a parent. I will not let my child do it. I'll guide my child. but at the same time I will मैं उसको बताऊंगी ये करेक्ट है, ये करेक्ट नहीं है. Now this question that you're asking me, how to become friends of our kids, actually is you're asking me how to have that connection that my child comes and talks to me about everything. That actually comes from the fact that how accepting you are of your child, and आप बच्चों को कितना जज करते हो और कितना एक्सेप्टेंस देते हो. Okay, suppose your 5-year-old comes, your 10-year-old comes and says a word that shocks you, or your 10-year-old comes and says, Mama, he has a crush on her and she has a crush on him. Now you will suddenly be like, yaar ye kya ho raha hai? And you might just react and you might be like, acha aise baatein nahi karte, this is not right. You're not accepting, you're not even listening to what your child is saying. So the first rule of having a connection with your child is listen to your child. Listen to your child before interrupting your child. How many of you here would like the other person to just listen? Like when you go to your spouse, your husband, your wife, or whoever it is, or your friends, don't you just want कि वो पहले मेरी बात सुन ले? This is what a child also needs. So when you're trying to be a friend, or when you're trying to have that connection with your child, listen to your child completely. Okay? And अगर वो कुछ कह भी रहा है, please have a mindset of acceptance first. Okay, fine, ठीक है. Now let's see what can I say about it. Can I be like कि अच्छा what is it? What do you understand by boyfriend, girlfriend? I can be more curious when my child talks to me instead of directly blaming, shaming, and putting my child into guilt and saying no without giving a reason. Okay, so these small things helps as the children grow to build connection with them. देखो जब बच्चे 8 साल की एज क्रॉस कर लेते हैं ना, they are not going to spend too much time with you. They will only talk to you, and how you react to everything they talk is how your connection is going to be built, and how much they are going to think they can tell you things and not tell you things. Okay, and this is a fact. आप भी लाइफ में ऐसे डिसाइड करते हो. सपोज यू टेल मी समथिंग, यू आर टेलिंग दिव्या, यू नो व्हाट, मैंने ना ये किया, एंड somewhere you do not know whether that's a right thing or a wrong thing, but Divya is being very judgmental and she tells you, अरे तूने ऐसे किया, that is absolutely wrong, we should not do like this. Do you think you would love to come and tell Divya next time? You will not come to me and talk to me about your issues next time, because Divya is being very judgmental here about what you are saying. Instead, Divya listens to you completely and then says, अच्छा तुमने ये किया, ठीक है, बट मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि दिस कुड हैव बीन डन लाइक दिस, और मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ये है कि व्हाट यू डिड कुड हैव बीन डन लाइक दिस. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? सो इन दिस वे I am listening to you completely and I am just giving you my point of view. I am not judging you for what you did. Okay? So be very careful how you talk to kids. Friendship comes later. Okay? And always be a parent to your child. Friends and parent together. Don't just be friends. In parenting, like we see, there are different types of parenting. Usme parents who become 100% friends with their children are called permissive parenting, because they are like all over the place. आपको जो करना है आप कर लो, आपको ठीक लग रहा है आप कर लो. अरे we are best friends, let's do everything together. You want to drink in front of me, drink in front of me, whatever it is, that is your value system. I am not judging you on that. However, sometimes children need to know that I am your parent and a friend at the same time. Okay, so build the connection that they can come and share everything with you, and at the same time make sure you're there to guide them as well. Don't leave them to do what they want to do. Otherwise, why would actually make human beings need 17 to 18 years with us, with parents before they go out? Tell me. One day the other day I was watching documentary with Zorawar on Amazon. Animals leave their kids within the first 3-4 weeks. Only it is only 8 months that monkeys leave their kids. Otherwise, so 3-4 weeks they leave. Humans, our kids need us for at least 16, 17, 18 years And if you ask me, 20 years, because their mind is not developed. We have to give them skills. That is why. Okay. So there is a reason you are a parent. So be a parent, but be a very accepting, loving parent who is ready to listen to the children, so that children come and talk to you about it. Okay. Children feel safe with you. Friendship is nothing but feeling safe with someone who is not going to judge me for who I am. So try to be that kind of a parent with your child. Okay. Aish, hi dear, my toddler is 4.4 years. He is very good in physical activities but less in social life, means to make friends and talk with them. He talk when he wants sometime. Yeah, it's a very normal behavior. Okay. Aish, okay, this, a lot of parents tell me this, that my children don't go and talk to other people. My children take time, जाके बात नहीं करता है. Some कुछ लोग बोलते हैं बहुत shy है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि वो कोई घर पे आता है हेलो नहीं बोलेगा, वो घर पे कोई आता है या फिर वो कहीं बाहर जाएगा वो हेलो नहीं बोलेगा, वो मेरे पीछे चुपता रहता है. Okay, this is a category of kids. हम सबकी personality है as a humans, correct? We all are not the same. Children are the same. They are also humans. They have different personalities. And one of these personalities is when the child is little fearful, or you can sometimes they say it as a shy kid also. I don't want to say it as a shy kid. They are children who takes time to open up. Okay. So these kids have their preferences. They would not like to talk to everybody. They have their preferences of who they want to talk to. They have their preferences of अगर मेरा उसके साथ match कर रहा है तो मैं बात कर लूँगा. They are mostly kids who are not too much into fighting this that like rough housing. नहीं करेंगे वो ज़्यादा jumping. So they will see ये safe है करने के लिए. Can I trust this person or not? So they are like that. So socially there is no problem with your child. If this child also, उसके अगर 2 या 3 अच्छे दोस्त है ना, then that child knows how to socialize. That is not a problem. Okay. What you can do as a mother is that अगर आपको लगता है कि वो बिल्कुल ही किसी से बात नहीं कर रहा है, then try to set up play dates where he can find someone with a similar interest. Okay. देखो कुछ बच्चे होते हैं who can go and talk to everybody. That's their personality. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं that they will going to take their time. They are very cautious बोल सकते. They are very cautious of कि दूसरा बंदा क्या बोल रहा है, वो मेरे लिए safe है कि नहीं है. Can I go and play? So they will notice before they jump into going and meeting somebody. Okay, that's their personality trait. There's nothing wrong in it. But as a mother, what you can do is, if you feel कि मतलब उसका कोई friend ही नहीं है and it is difficult for him to make friends, you take an initiative to have play dates. Okay, sometimes you have to support your children. You cannot just expect a 4-year-old जा भाई जाके तो दोस्त बना ले, ऐसे नहीं होता है. Okay, I'll give you an example. Suppose you're a working person. Okay, you shifted from one office to another office. New company आपने join किया. You are a person who doesn't open up easily. Who takes the time. Now, are you going to very easily go and make friends there, or are you going to take your time, judge the other person कि अच्छा वो कैसा है, can I trust this person to talk or not? I hope that I don't say anything wrong. I do not know what that person is. So we also have our way of thinking कि मेरा दोस्त कौन बन सकता है, कौन नहीं बन सकता है. Now इस टाइम पे सोचो मेरा टीम लीड या मेरा मैनेजर आके बोले चल दिव्या we are having a get together, you come, and you will know new people. Don't you think that will help me make more friends? Okay. In the same way, if you ever feel that my child is struggling to make friends, please step in as a parent. Okay. Have play dates. Request the other person कि चल one-on-one play dates से शुरू कर लो. Then have 2-3 people. Basically, you're just trying to figure out कि मेरा बच्चा किसके साथ comfortable है, किसके साथ they have the same interest. हो सकता है एक बच्चे को लेगो पसंद है, दूसरे बच्चे को डायनासोर्स पसंद है. Sometimes they will play, sometimes they will not play only because they don't have same interest like how us adults are. Okay. So Ash, I hope I've answered your question. It is absolutely normal. You just have to encourage your child. If your child doesn't even have 1 or 2 friends, then go set up a play date. Okay. Sometimes we have to enable our children in the society because they do not know how to do it themselves. It's just a skill. Okay. But ऐसे बच्चों को आप जितना पुश करोगे ना कि जाओ जाके बात करो, जाके बात करो, उतना ही it will come back on you. ये भी याद रखना है, एवरीबडी आउट हियर हु हैज अ चाइल्ड हु टेक्स टाइम टू ओपन अप, स्टॉप पुशिंग योर चाइल्ड, बिकॉज वो उल्टा आप पे आएगा, वो और नहीं करेगा वो चीज, ओके वो और नहीं करेगा. सो टेक उस टाइम पे सिचुएशन के हिसाब से सी, द मोर यू पुश द मोर रिटेलिएशन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. सो द बेस्ट थिंग विद दिस चाइल्ड इज वन, यू प्रिपेयर देम इन एडवांस. लाइक अगर वो कहीं नई जगह जा रहा है, यू टेल द चाइल्ड इन एडवांस, हम यहाँ जा रहे हैं, this people are going to be there, this is what you're going to experience. Yes, you may take time to go and open up, that is absolutely fine, you can sit with me. When you give that power to your child, you will see a shift that he knows that I can decide when I want to go and talk to somebody, and with that power they might that day go or not go, okay, and that's okay. एक बार करेगा, दो बार करेगा, तीसरी चौथी बार, आई एम टेलिंग यू बाय एक्सपीरियंस एंड विद सो मेनी पीपल दैट आई हैव कोच्ड दैट द चाइल्ड विल गो एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स. बट अगर ऐसे बच्चों को तुम पुश ही करते रहोगे पूरा टाइम एंड यू आर नॉट गिविंग देम दैट स्पेस टू एनालाइज, दे विल फील मोर प्रेशराइज्ड एंड इट विल बैकफायर ऑन यू. ठीक है, सो आयुष, इफ यू आर ऑल देयर, लेट मी नो इफ दिस आंसर हेल्प्ड यू, ओके, एंड गिव योर चाइल्ड दैट स्पेस, ओके. How many of you here have kids who takes time to open up? Type me. Okay. Okay, good morning. Okay, Mukta says, easy guide to how to protect your child from teasing. My 6-year-old gets teased and I want to help her navigate. Okay, this is a very good question. Okay, how to help your child to stand up. Okay, now when you say teasing can be, someone can tease them about their bag, how they look, what they are wearing, and there can be 10 other things. Especially when they start going to the bigger school, all these things start. Okay, now this is a time I start giving skills. This is not the time, actually we should start giving skills to our children from the age of 4 only, where हम internally उनको बहुत strong बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं, as to telling them that different people have different opinions. Suppose somebody is teasing my child about how skinny my child is or what my child is wearing. Okay, suppose. Okay, I'll give you just one example. Now my child is wearing a t-shirt and someone come and said that, what is this t-shirt that you're wearing? Okay. Oh, actually let me give you a very live example. So last month हम किसी के घर पार्टी पे गए and मैं जोरावर को अंदर रूम तक छोड़ने गई as all the kids were sitting in the room. Okay, and this girl, she's very fun, like how children are. She's also 6 years old. I love her actually, and sometimes children talk because उन्होंने कहीं से सुना है. So Zoravar just walked in and this girl knew Zoravar, so he just said, so they said let's play. So this girl said, no, we're not going to let Zoravar play, he's very stupid. She said something like that, and I felt bad. Honestly, I as mother felt really bad. Okay, and I'm looking at Zoravar कि उसको बुरा तो नहीं लगा करके, and whatever it was, but I didn't want to interfere. Now there's a reason I didn't want to interfere, was because I wanted to see how he's going to react on it. Okay, मैंने सुन ली थी बात. तो उसके बाद I just went and I just told that girl, I said, that's a very strong word, let's not use that word. And I moved out from there. वो अपना खेले, जो भी किया उन्होंने, उनकी मर्जी है. Then I came home and I asked Zoravar, I said, Zoravar, she said something like this. Did you feel bad? You know what he said? He said, no, that's her opinion. No, I know I'm not. Now, that's the confidence you are supposed to build in your child. Now, how do you build that in your child? Tell me. How do you build that in your child? You build that in your child by giving them small powers here and there. You build that strength in your child by every time a child comes and tells you, Mama, how I am looking. Simple example, very simple example I'm going to give you. Okay, Mama, how I am looking. And I always tell myself, you always look nice. Do you like what I am wearing? You know what I ask him? I say, do you like what you're wearing? बाय आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन मैंने क्या किया, टेल मी, इसका आंसर मुझे चाहिए. When my child asks me, Mama, how am I looking? And I just said, you always look very nice to me, whatever you wear. And he said, do you like what I am wearing? I reflect back and I tell him, do you like what you're wearing? तो जब मैंने उससे ये क्वेश्चन किया, मैंने क्या किया बताओ मुझे. Suppose Ekta is there, okay? Ekta says, Divya, do you like my dress? I said, I love the, whatever you wear, I love it, Ekta. Okay? She said, no, do you like this sari? So I asked, Ekta, do you like the sari? You gave him the power to sense, does he like what he is wearing? Exactly. So I am slowly telling him that me liking it or not liking it is not a big deal. You liking it or not liking it is a very big deal. So I am giving him a sense of confidence. I am giving him a sense of autonomy that bhai, I decide what I want to wear. I see a lot of parents, they freak out if the kid wears something funny or if they are wearing 2-3 t-shirts or whatever it is. My son wears it almost every day. Today also he is wearing 2 t-shirts. Ek t-shirt to uske knees tak hai. Okay. Now, do I say things to him? Yes, politely. I do tell him that, this is too long. Let's at least make it a little smarter. But I do not, मैं उसके जाके थोपती नहीं हूँ. क्यों? Because it's his body and I keep telling him, it's your body. You decide what you want to wear. Okay? Because these are small things that give the sense of power and confidence to a child. अगर मैं ये सारी चीजें अपने बच्चों की लाइफ में कंट्रोल करने लगूंगी and then I want that he goes outside and have a sense of power and have a sense of confidence, कैसे होगा जब घर में ही नहीं दे रही उसको मैं. So coming back to this teasing का thing, okay? For a short term, what you can do is if someone is teasing you for something, you need to give a vocabulary to your child because a 6-year-old may not know what to say at that time. And children say a lot of funny things, okay? So the best thing is to ask her, what happened. Suppose somebody is teasing her again for her dress. So you can just tell her, if that person says it, what are you going to say? Your 6-year-old might say, Mama, I do not know. She always teases me or he always teases me. Then you can give the child an option. See, 1, is it true? I always ask this to my son, okay? Anybody on this live right now, no? Write this question down because this will change the way your child and you start thinking, okay? हाँ, वो 6.5 years की है, ठीक है. एक चीज याद रखो, जब भी आपसे बच्चा बोले ना, मम्मा माय फ्रेंड सेड माय ड्रेस इज नॉट गुड और मम्मा माय फ्रेंड सेड माय बैग इज नॉट गुड और माय हेयर इज नॉट गुड और वट एवर इट इज, one question or anything, one question you should always ask your child is this true? Is this true? What happens when I ask this question? Your child starts thinking, क्या ये सच है? Like literally, or is it the person's assumption? There is a shift, and that shift and that doubt is what we have to create in a child's mind to know that what the other person is saying is not a reality. It is their assumption. Okay. Now again, I'll see, these are all skills that has to be built in a very systematic way in a child. Okay. I cannot tell you on a live, but I'm just giving you few examples of what you can do. And this is a golden line. Write it, remember it always. Okay. So if your child comes and says, Mama, ऐसे हो रहा है, you just say, is it true? Your child will at least start thinking for a minute कि यार वो सच्ची है भी कि नहीं है. And then you go to your child and say something like, Beta, if next time your friend says something like this, you can say blah 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 blah, or you can step back, or you can go and tell a teacher. So you're giving your child options what to do. Most of the time we feel that a child will automatically handle teasings, and sometimes they do, and they should also, because that is how the world is. They have to learn. Like जब मेरे बच्चे को किसी ने stupid बोला, मैंने सिर्फ उसको जाके प्यार से बोला लड़की को, this is a very strong word, and उसको बोला because I don't want her to use this word. I love that kid, so I want her to use a vocabulary that is good. कोई और होता तो मैं शायद नहीं भी बोलती उसको. Okay, so my point to you is that give steps to your child, that if someone is teasing you, what can you say? Second, Make it your agenda to build confidence in your child by doing small tasks with her, by giving her the confidence, by always checking on her what is an assumption, what is a fact, by telling her that it is her opinion that matters the most. और ये सब लेक्चर्स से नहीं होता, ये सब एक दिन के काम से नहीं होता. दिस इज अ एवरीडे प्रोसेस. एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू you see an opportunity, you jump in and you make the child realize again that the power lies with me. I decide. Okay? मेरी बेटी पहले कुछ पब्लिक में गलती करती थी तो मैं उसको कहती थी सब तुम्हें देख रहे हैं. एक मिनट यार, मैंने क्वेश्चन, सॉरी मेरा क्वेश्चन ही कोई और चलेगा. Okay, teasing is done. How to become friends to our friends is done. I see a... Hi, Ekta is asking, hi Divya, Didi has 16-year-old boy. He doesn't listen to his parents at all. See, I'll tell you what. Once a child hits teenage, especially after 14, 15, 16, it is a general complaint or a thing from any parent that my child doesn't listen to me, okay, or my child talks back, or my child उसको पढ़ने के लिए बैठो वो बैठता नहीं है, whatever it is. Please understand, after the age of 14, 15, 16, 17, this is an age where, as you know, friends become everything. Parents have to let go of the control. उनको थोड़ा कंट्रोल छोड़ना पड़ता है, but at the same time they need to know what is happening with the child. Okay, now at the same time, what is going to happen is, if he is not listening to the parents at all, then the first step for the parents is to have a very understanding conversation as to what is happening with the child without any judgment. Now again, suppose you're saying वो बिल्कुल सुनता नहीं है, देखो बच्चे सुनते तब नहीं है जब उनको अगेन लगता है कि you're not going to accept me for who I am and you're only going to judge me. बच्चे नहीं, बड़े भी नहीं सुनते. Okay, so I am just listening to you. I would just listen to you. I always give example of my mother all the time, because the kind of kid I was, honestly very strong willed, सारे पुट्ठे काम करने मैंने हर जगह, मतलब अगर किसी ने नो बोला है तो वो तो मैंने करना ही करना है. So I used to be a rebel kid, like literally, and a very emotional kid at the same time. तो rebel and emotional का तो अलग ही लेवल होता था कि एक दिन अगर मेरा दिमाग खनक गया तो मतलब you cannot then make me stop, So I always saw that my mother would talk to me. She would never be like, तूने ये क्यों करा, तूने वो क्यों करा, you should not do that. Everything. We had rules in our house. But at the same time, my mother would just sit and listen to me quietly. I'm not kidding. Sachi mein. This is how she was. The first time she came to know I had a boyfriend, what she did. Now for her, it is we don't come from that family where boyfriends are okay. No. But do you think she reacted? No. She just listened. Acha, what does he do? Okay. And that's all he did. And then she would just keep a track as to where I'm going, who I'm going with. Every time I'm going with that boy, she would know I'm going with that boy. So, aisa tha. And she would give her tipnees to me in between. If she didn't like something, if she wanted, this is what it is, this is, okay, fine, you have a boyfriend, but these are the ground rules of the house. And she would put it in a way where I felt that she's understanding me and she's not controlling me. Okay, so the first step for any teenage parent who is dealing with this is have a open communication with your child. Have a understanding communication with your child that what is it that is really making a child super angry. And I'm telling you, the thing that is making a child super angry is कि you're not understanding me, mama. You're controlling me. You're doing this to me. You're still not letting me go. So that's what your Didi is supposed to do, Ekta, is to first sit down and have a very open conversation that, suppose I have a 15-year-old, 16-year-old boy and my child is just not listening. I'll tell you exactly what I'll do. I'll sit with my child and I'll say, listen, suppose it's Zorawar only. I'll tell Zorawar, I feel that हमारी ना बहुत लड़ाई हो रही है आजकल, okay? And I don't like it. remember one thing, when you're having a conversation with your child or anybody, always take it on you. Do not blame it on the other person, because then nobody is ready to listen to you. Okay, I will say I don't like it. I love you way too much, Zara. So you tell me, what can I do to make this relationship work? You know, I want to be the best mother you have. क्या हो रहा है? Am I doing something that you are not liking? Am I doing something that you want me to change? How can we become like, I know that sometimes you feel that I'm controlling you, but that is not my intention. Okay, and then I tell my intention to my child. अभी कल ही मैंने एक रील डाली थी, sometimes worry feels like controlling, you know, and I explain that to my child कि मेरा ये नहीं है. Suppose I am telling you too much to study, okay Zorawar. Now my reason is because somewhere मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if you're not studying, you know, what is going to happen with your marks, and if the marks doesn't come, then you know, and I explain that to my child fully, and I tell him that I know you will not understand it right now, and it is okay. I don't expect you to understand, but let's come into a middle way. So what I'm doing is I am taking full responsibility of the relationship that is not working. Okay, I am taking full responsibility of my relationship not working with my son, and I'm going to my son and I'm talking to my son that I want to make it work. Tell me how I can do it. What do you think the child will do? पहले तो बच्चे को थोड़ा झटका लग जाएगा कि मम्मी ऐसे कैसे आ गई, you know, कि like she is being so polite, or she is like talking to me like this. And trust me, kids, no matter what age, when the parents go and talk like this, they will leave everything and they will be there to tell you things. Okay, it's just that how you communicate with them. Anybody sitting here, leave kids. Okay, suppose you are having a problem with your partner or your friend. Okay, partner, friend, whoever you want to take. Imagine that one person जिसके साथ आपकी नहीं बन रही है आजकल. Okay, imagine it. Let's do that together. Okay, imagine that one person जिसके साथ आपकी नहीं बन रही है आजकल. That one person comes to you and says कि you know what, I really like you and I really want this to work. I really want us to have a good friendship or a good relationship. Tell me, what can I do? Now in the comment section, tell me how did that made you feel? And I want answers. तभी आगे आऊंगी मैं. I want answers. Tell me how did that statement made you feel? When someone comes and talk to you like this. Important. What else did that make you feel? But एक ही important. No one would like to be spoken like this to you. No problem. But whenever it feels good and build trust. Yes, it builds trust. It gives all positive feelings to a person. Instead of me coming and telling you, like my friend is not नहीं चल रहा है, and the friend comes and say, देख यार मेरे को तो तेरे साथ दोस्ती करनी है, but you know the way you behave doesn't work for me, or you're not listening to me, or you know it irritates me, I'm worried about you. These are all negative feelings that you're starting a conversation with. वो दूसरा बंदा पहले डिफेंस में चले जाता है कि मैंने तो बात ही नहीं करनी, छोड़ दो यार. Everybody in this world, including children, I always keep saying, everybody in this world, including children, have two main things that they want in life. One is love and connection, second is power. सबको चाहिए love and connection, and I need my autonomy and my power. Autonomy क्या होता है? मेरे से काफी लोग ने डीएम में पूछते हैं, मैम autonomy बोलते रहते, होता क्या है? Autonomy का मतलब होता है कि a sense that I am in control of my things. Okay, autonomy का मतलब होता है I am in control of what I am doing. I am in control of deciding things. That's called autonomy. That's why I say by the age of 18-19 by the month 18-19 months के बाद बच्चों में autonomy आने लग जाती है, because they start understanding, if I move my hand, this is going to happen. I can control my hands. I can control what I want to wear. I can control whether I want to eat or not. That's called autonomy. When you decide for yourself, Okay, so this is the teenage ka thing. I hope this helped you. Okay. I'll take one last question because मेरे को जाना है, and I'm sorry all the questions are not being taken. I'll try it next time. अब से मैं आ रही हूँ, थर्सडे को आऊंगी, टाइम अभी डिसाइड करते हैं. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफली 10:30 रखूंगी. इट वर्क्स फॉर मी. या So, hi ma'am, my son is 4 years old. I can't implement the consequences when he is not following the boundaries. Okay. Can you be a little bit more specific? I am not able to implement consequences when he is not following the boundaries. Oh, acha, okay, fine. That means you say this is a consequence, but you are not able to follow it through. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. When you give a consequence to a child, did you think through a consequence or you just said no? That's not going to happen. If you're not going to follow through a consequence, let me tell you one thing, your child is going to stop taking you seriously. Okay? So, मुंह से बात निकलने से पहले 2 बार सोच लो कि भाई वो बात मैं कर पाऊंगी भी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी. और अगर आपको लगता है कि वो बात मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, then hold your horses and think what consequence you want to give. Because if you are only going to say things, okay, and not do it, do you think your child or anybody is going to take you seriously? They also know that she is just saying it for the sake of saying it. Okay? And consequences का एक बहुत बड़ा rule होता है, which I just did it in my community last week, which was about relatable consequences. Is your consequence relatable? मतलब करा मैंने ये चीज, consequence मुझे कुछ और दे दिया. हम कॉन्सिक्वेंस देते क्यों है? सो दैट अ चाइल्ड लर्न्स फ्रॉम इट, राइट? इफ अ चाइल्ड डजंट लर्न फ्रॉम अ कॉन्सिक्वेंस, इट्स कॉल्ड अ पनिशमेंट. I'll say it again. If a child don't learn from a consequence, it's called a punishment. And punishment we give because we just want the child to suffer in some way or the other. तूने ये गलत किया है ना, now I'm going to take out these things from you because I want you to suffer. Okay? That's how it is. So, whenever you are giving a consequence, like for example, your child is a 4-year-old, मुझे लगता है आपका प्रॉब्लम ये होगा, टीवी टाइम होगा और खाना नहीं खा रहा है या टॉयज पिकअप नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक अप टॉयज पिकअप. ओके, easiest thing to do. Now your child is not picking up toys again and again. You have made the routine chart, you have explained it to your child, and he's a 4-year-old. पहले तो ये भी समझ लो, so they need assistance. Okay, so child उठा नहीं रहा है. So you sit down with your child, and how you do consequences, you tell your child, beta, whatever toys are on the floor, after you finish playing or before you go to bedtime or whatever your limit is, okay, like in my house it's the end of the day you clean up. पहले होता था कि मैं साथ साथ में करती थी. Now I'm like end of the day, before you go to bed please clean up your room. Okay, so how we set consequences is that whatever, like मैं अपना example लेती हूँ, whatever is there on the floor, before you go to bed, that gets taken away. Okay, now that gets taken away for a week, for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, whatever is your this thing. अब इसमें मैं अपने खुद का एग्जांपल भी दे देती हूँ कि मैं उठा लेती थी और मेरे बच्चे का इतने टॉयज है कि उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता था कि उसके पास वो है कि नहीं है. ओके, देन आई सॉ आफ्टर 6-7 months की यार इसको तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है, इसके सारे टॉयज तो मैंने पीछे रख लिए और इसको पता भी नहीं है कि वो 2 हफ्ते नहीं है इसके पास है, 3 हफ्ते इसके पास नहीं है. So then I went to him one day and I said, see, I think you have too many toys and we are not valuing what we have. This is what I feel. No, mama, I love my toys and everything. I said, no, I think that, we need to find another way. So, one, I will help you with the cleaning up. We can divide and clean up. 2, I said, if you are still not cleaning up and things are on the floor, whatever is on the floor goes in the donation box. So, he knows donation box means all his toys are going to start going to someone who needs it. Now that is what he wants. So I am relating the consequence to what it is. And that means कि अगर उसने नहीं उठाया है, then I follow it through. ये नहीं कि मैंने बोला it will go to donation box and I still give it back to him. No, I do not. How am I going to teach my child that, I stand on my promises, I stand on my word? Okay? So always your consequence has to be relatable, and you should always follow through with your consequence. Otherwise do not give a consequence. It's just वो खोखली धमकी बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में, आप वो दे रहे हो. So it's of no use to a child. Okay. Okay, so with that I know I am going to go because I have a cricket practice. I have started something. So we have a cricket match this weekend. So इसकी भी थोड़ी स्टोरी बता देती हूँ जाने से पहले. So अगस्त में जोरावर and my husband took part in the community का cricket tournament, and I am not a cricket person at all because मुझे लगता है मेरे नाखून टूट जाएंगे, मेरे को बॉल लग जाएगी, मैं ऐसी हूँ थोड़ी सी. तो I promised जोरावर in August, नहीं जैन वाले में I'll take part. I thought he will forget. Jan came and he's like, Mama, now you take part. तो भाई साहब हमने कभी क्रिकेट खेला नहीं, हमने कभी बैट पकड़ा नहीं, बट अपने बच्चे के चक्कर में हम वो भी कर रहे हैं. बट आई थिंक इट इज गुड बिकॉज ही पुशेस मी टू डू न्यू थिंग्स. Second, I feel that, I have to stand by example. I cannot keep telling my son that you try something new, whereas I am not even trying anything new. But मैंने उससे ज्यादा पता है क्या करा है. एक चीज बताती हूँ आपको मैं, कि मैं ना प्रैक्टिस के लिए रोज जाती हूँ. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है, मुझे कोई क्रिकेटर भी नहीं बनना है, मैंने प्रैक्टिस के लिए पता है क्यों रोज जाती हूँ. बिकॉज वन थिंग आई कीप टीचिंग माई चाइल्ड ऑल द टाइम एंड आई वॉन्ट हिम टू सी दैट मम्मा इज डूइंग द सेम. आई टीच माई चाइल्ड वन थिंग दैट इफ यू हैव टू बी गुड एट समथिंग यू हैव टू रियली प्रैक्टिस इट. उसके बाद वॉट एवर हैपन्स डज नॉट मैटर. So I go to cricket practice every day. I take him also for my cricket practice every day. And some days he tells me, some days तो मेरे को बॉलिंग तो मतलब क्या ही करती हूँ, सुन लो पहली बार कर रही हूँ, 15 दिन हुए करते हुए, तो क्या ही करूंगी. तो one day is telling me, मम्मा आपकी बॉल ऐसे जा रही है, ऐसे नहीं जा रही है, because he plays cricket. And I told him, I said, यार पता नहीं how I will do it. I am not even good at it. So you know what he told me? He said, it's okay, mama. You just practice. If you practice as much as you can, and then let it be. You give your best. And that is exactly I wanted to hear from him. Because I don't want him to think that I am telling him all the gyan that you do practice, you work hard. But mama is not doing the practice. That is not fair. So आप सोचते हो कि मैं कितना सोचती हूँ ना, but मैं सोचती हूँ. मैं इसलिए सोचती हूँ because I know that my child is going to model everything I do. So a lot of things I do in life, I only see if he's seeing me, if he's seeing what I want to teach him. Simple thing like meditation हो गया, affirmations हो गया, ho'oponopono हो गया, like I do ho'oponopono, okay? And I just do it myself, and one day he will ask me what is it. So I'll teach him then. I don't believe in preaching my child, because the more I preach him, the more he resists. I believe in, I be the person, I do the things that I want him to take from me, positive things. नेगेटिव भी लेता है बहुत चीजें मेरी, जैसे लास्ट बाइट छोड़ देता है, लाइटें बंद नहीं करता है, ये भी मैं नेगेटिव भी लेता है, मैं नहीं बोलती मेरी सिर्फ पॉजिटिव ही लेता है, ठीक है. सो आई ट्राई टू डू व्हाट आई वांट हिम टू डू. एंड सो यू बी द पर्सन यू वांट योर चाइल्ड टू बी. ज्ञान दे के बच्चे कुछ नहीं सीखते. ग्रैटिट्यूड, वैल्यू सिस्टम, ये सब बोलने की चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए. यू शुड डू इट सो दैट दे टेक इट एंड दे बिलीव इन इट. ओके, सो विद दैट, bye bye. I will see you next Thursday for sure. Timing I will let you know on Wednesday. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा to adjust the time, but I'll let you know the time. And all of you tell me, does this 10:30 is better than 11:30? I feel मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता है. In fact 10 बजे ही better है, because सुबह सुबह कर लो and then I have the rest of the day to do my other calls as well. So I'll put a poll next Wednesday as to whether it should be 10 or 10:30 or 11:30. Let me know. ठीक है, and thank you so much. And Ekta, congratulations once again. Thank you so much. It is, मेरे को personally लगता है कि it's like my own personal win, and I had such a good New Year's Eve में सुबह सुबह ऐसा मैसेज मिल जाए, और क्या चाहिए. चलो, bye. Thank you so much guys. See you next Thursday.